Hi guys, it's Patty. Welcome back. And today I'm here with you with another flip through and setup. And this time I will show you how I set up my B6 Traveler Notebook from the Planner Society. This was an additional purchase. This was a perfect match to the Make Kit. And you could purchase it, separately from the Planner Society website. And I really loved the kit. I love the Make Kit. I love the theme. I love the colors. And even though, I didn't need a main planner, I wanted this to be just as an add-on to my, more functional planners. And this will serve a very specific purpose, which I will show you. And again, this is a B6 size. It's a PVC material. It has gorgeous print with these beautiful pink flowers. The background is more of a Tiffany blue with these, green leaves on top. And in the front here, I've added this bow from Two Girls Bows. And she makes really adorable bows. She can customize them with your initial, just like here. This is with an holographic initial. And I added a little extra here on the front. This did not come, the little rose did not come with it. This was actually a paper clip from a previous Planner Society kit, but I wanted it, just to be more on the front because the colors really match. So I just removed the rose from my paper clip and I used the hot glue gun to attach it to my bow. And now, I think it looks adorable with it. On the spine here, I have this charm from Elena, PeachPom, and she makes beautiful stickers and, charms and paper clips. I'm sure you're already very familiar with her. Now let's look inside. And everything that I've used in here, it's mostly from the Planner Society kit. If I've used something that was not included, I will link it below. So you can just, check my description box and it will be below. Now here in the pockets, I always store stickers. These are the stickers that came with the kit. These were an additional purchase. This was the practical or functional sticker sub. As you can tell, I already used a couple. And as I always do, whenever I get one of, Christy's TNs, I like to customize and kind of add a little bit of flair to my pockets. The pockets come simple like this, which is perfectly fine. But because I'm, little extra, I like to add a little bit of, embellishment over here. Now, what I've used here are these. This is a roll of ribbons and embellishments, ribbons that you can get from Michael's. I'll try to find it and link it below. I bought it a while ago, but the two that I've used are these two. So basically I used a hot glue gun and I have attached this white one that has these adorable little pom-poms on top to the pink one like this. And now I have measured my strip to fit the pocket, and once I had a nice single strip, I've used the glue that I always show you, which is the one that I got from Amazon. It's a double-sided, super strong glue strip that you can just tear away like that. And so I just add the strip to the inside of my pocket, and then I rip off the backing, and I attach my little embellishment to it, and it stays put. And also it's not tacky, it doesn't come through. So even if you've seen me easily put in and pull out the stickers, it's not gonna stick to the stickers. So that's that. Over here I have, as always, my washi sampler, and this again, it's plastic. I will link it below, but a lot of shops are now offering beautiful washi sampler cards. So if you have one of those, it's the same. I always add these cute bows to it. And then these are 3 of the washi tapes from this month kit, and I've just added this cute little flamingo. It's like a Puffy sticker that I think I'm gonna link it below, but it was from last year collection. And to attach it, I have this little clamp that I've just added a button flower on top to make it a little more tropical. Now here we go with the first sandwich. Again, as if you've watched my previous videos, I refer to the sections in my planners as sandwiches, in the sense that when you put them together, you have an outside, you have a middle, you know, and then you have like a center section. So I have 3 different, actually I have 4 sections. I added one at the last minute. I have 4 sections in this one. And the first section, which ends here, starts with this gorgeous acetate. Oh, sorry about the reflection, but it's a beautiful acetate. It's very soft. There's a very soft like flamingo, which I love because I love flamingos, but I'm more a fan of pastels even in the summer. So as much as I love flamingos, sometimes the pink that they come in, it's a little bit obnoxious, but this instead was it's a gorgeous you know, color palette. I love it. Soft pinks with some greens. And here I've just added 3 of the flowers that came with the kit. I glued them on using glue dots, and then I put a little, they came with a little Swarovski crystal sticker, and I put that on, and I think it added just enough, you know, not to be too much, because as you can tell, there's already a lot of patterns going on here, so I did not want to add too much to it. Also, I really love the back, so I wanted it to be see-through. And this is my first insert. And for this insert, this is actually just, you know, a dotted insert, a plain insert. I've had this at home. Instead of, I didn't have a cover for it. So what I used a sheet of this gorgeous paper with this palm leaves as is. So this is the front and this is the back. I did not laminate it. I just cut it to size, which is about 7 inches tall by about 10, and I think it's 2/8, but don't quote me on that. It depends, you know, also on how skinny or how thick your inserts are, etc. So you kind of have to, you know, make your own measurements, but it's about that much. Now for the front here, I put 2 of the Swarovski stickers from Michaels, and this one is the cute little journaling card that came with the kit. I have backed it with this kind of like corrugated cardstock that I bought a while ago. I hope I can find it. I just love, let me see if I can get a close-up for you guys, but it has that 3-dimensional effect without you adding too much bulk, and I love that the pink matched the pink of the flamingo. And here in the corner, I've used these 3 brads that are, you know, just a perfect color. And this is just a little bow from Hobby Lobby. These are stickers. They're my favorite ones. I always use them. And behind it, there is one of the doilies that came with the kit. They are patterned on the back, but I prefer to use the, you know, the white plain background because, again, there was a lot of patterns, and so I just want this to stand out and, you know, be noticeable. So here, there's nothing, really simple. There's just this beautiful paperclip from GlitterDolls, and the colors just match really well. And then here is another one of my favorite things to make, which are page markers, and I have a tutorial on this, and I will link it up here if you're interested. So for this page marker, basically, I used the beautiful palm leaves, you know, print. I have laminated it with this topper from Two Girls Bows, which is this kind of holographic, because I tried to add in the holographic. I was trying to see, do I want this to match with, you know, a gold metallic, you know, like what kind of metal do I think it goes best with? And I thought that the holographic and metallic, you know, silver kind of holographic will go best with these patterns. This on top of my laminated a little piece of this is, I think, 4x6 paper. I have this pocket, which I will link below. It's a nice big pocket, stores a lot. And then I have one of the die cuts from the kit, which is this beautiful flamingo, and I set it on 3D dots so it stands up a little bit. Then I have some stickers from an older kit, and then back here I put this little flags that came with a kit, and I just put them back there. And then I have this bow from an older kit, and I just put it right there. So really simple, not much. Again, this is a very simple setup. I didn't want it to be too, you know, complicated. So here's the back of the insert. And all I did is I added this Flamingo, which is a 3D cardstock die cut. And I think it's from Maggie Holmes, but I will link it below. And also the words. And then these are the same Michael's Swarovski crystals. And then I have, this is the acetate, again, from the kit. I didn't do anything to it. It's just as pretty as it is. Didn't need anything extra. And here to kind of divide and separate the two, you know, inserts, I've added these silver doilies that you can find at Michael's. I just glued them together and just slipped it through. I just think, you know, it just kind of breaks the pattern. Now we're in section 2. Section 2 starts with this gorgeous vellum with the little succulents from the kit. And I've only added this beautiful initial sticker from Michael's. And this was actually gifted to me by my friend Melissa. Sweet Dreams of Paris. Thank you so much, Melissa, because I always have a hard time finding the letter P at my store. So, and then we have the second insert. And this insert is from AnniePlans, and it's book reading, I guess, kind of like tracker, or you know, just like kind of to mark down. I would like to read more. I have probably 6 or 7 books on my nightstand that I really want to read, and somehow I always get distracted and I never get to it. So this is kind of forcing me to you know, to do it and to finish it up. So this is a super cute insert from AnniePlans again. And I attached to the cover this paper from the kit, and again, Swarovski stickers. And then here it's another one of the journaling cards, again on the cardstock that is a kind of a corrugated cardstock. Instead of having the pink brads here, I had the silver brads and the usual doily. Again, this one is another one from the kit that has got a pink background. I used the white side, the same little bow. And on top of this, I have this adorable little page marker with a magnet that's from 3 glitter peas. And then the back, very simple. As you can tell, it's super simple, guys. This is not gonna take long. This is another one of the die cuts, and I added this word Sun Swim Fun, and which I believe is from Maggie Holmes. I don't know why I never checked before I do the videos, but that's the way I roll. And this is the back of the succulent vellum. Nothing on it, super simple. I think it has enough. The back of the doily, and we are in insert number 3. This insert is also from AnniePlans, and this is a meal planner. In the summer, I kind of have a hard time in remembering what I'm gonna cook, and I buy a bunch of groceries or have them delivered, and then I have zero clue what I need them for. So this, I hope, will keep me a little more on track. Also because, you know, kids are at home, so you have to provide them lunch and breakfast and dinner. So it's 3 meals a day. Now for the front here, I have used the gorgeous black and white paper, and I thought that this journaling card went the best with it. It says, make someone's day brighter today. Very cute. It's with the silver brads, backed with the same corrugated pink cardstock. This is the same doily, and here it's another one of the cardstocks. I kind of offset it to the side. I popped it on 3D you know, glue dots, and then I just added a little bow. And again here, the Swarovski crystals, and I really just love the simplicity, honestly. I love the greens and the pastels, and you know, I think the black and white, it's just I think very there's something very soothing about this collection and this kit. It doesn't scream summer. It's not obnoxious summer, you know, patterns. I think it's very beautiful. And in the back here, I just used 2 of the die cuts from the kit, again on the 3D dots, so they give you a little bit more of, you know, they stand out a little more. And this is a sticker from, again, Maggie Holmes, I think. If it's not, I'm gonna link it below. And then there is this gorgeous acetate, which is by DCW, and it's just gorgeous. It's a holographic pattern. I just love everything about it. It's got this kind of lettuce kind of pattern, and I put on it this cardstock 3D word that says getaway. Beautiful. And then this is an addition. Actually, this is not something that I plan to add on, but I went to Michael's yesterday, and this was my first visit in 3 months. So I was super excited. But I found this adorable little notebook. It's just plain paper. It's in the $2 bins, and actually it's marked down to 60 cents. And I just thought that the pink was just perfect. It's the perfect kind of pink. It's a pastel pink. It has holographic flamingos. I mean, how much better? You know, it was so suited for this setup that I had to add it in. I don't even know if I'm gonna use it. It's just pretty, and it's gonna sit in there. And this is one of the you know, little journaling cards that was left. It says make the world a pretty place. Love these little shoes. Same as always, silver brads, corrugated cardstock in the back, the doily, and the Swarovski crystals. And then this is an adorable little paper clip that I got from Etsy. I'll try to link it below because I cannot remember right now where I bought it. And here in the back, I wish the back had the same pattern, honestly, because this pattern is so pretty. But I mean, for 60 cents, I guess, that's what you get. So pattern in the front only. But because it was very plain, I just got an extra piece of the this you know, acetate, and I just put it here in the back of one of the die cuts, and then I popped the die cuts on 3D dots, and then added this Happy Weekend vibe, and again the Swarovski crystal stickers. And this is the back of the acetate, and on here, I don't know if you can see it, there is this gorgeous vinyl sticker from VirgoAndPaper. It says Planner for Life. Very appropriate. I need to buy more because I actually had a hard time using that, but I know they have more in store, so I'm gonna buy another one. And here's something that, you know, I always love to add to my traveler notebooks, if I need it or not need it. I think we all need a little pouch in the back. And this pouch is from Michael's. It's from the same $2 bins. I tried to find another one yesterday when I went because it kind of broke my heart to use it, but I haven't found it. But so what I did, as I always do, let me remove it. To insert it, this is to show you that you can use any pouch you want. I just cut a little hole here on both sides, and then I just used some of this elastic that I bought on Amazon, which is actually the perfect elastic if you want to restring your traveler notebook. And then I tied a knot in the middle, and these are 3D die cuts that I got from the same kit from last year that I got everything else. And then you just flip it. You just slide it over into the middle of your previous insert, and it sits like there. Now you have a beautiful planner pouch. And lastly, here I have my back pocket, again embellished with the ribbons from Michael's, more stickers from the kit. And here I have that same little clamp, and I just added this little sticker that says fun on it because, you know, it was fairly plain, and I don't like plain. And another journaling card from the kit, so I'm just holding on to it, just like that. And then that's it. So this is a very, very quick setup, guys. You know, sometimes in the summer we have more time, but we end up having less time. And I just wanted it to be quick and easy. I hope that you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. That will really help me. And if you have not entered, I have a giveaway going on right now on my Instagram account. I'm giving away a lot of Simply Gilded washi tape, which are my favorite washi tapes. They're by Irene, who is the owner and creator, and she is just amazing. So if you have not entered, you know, make sure to go and enter the giveaway. It ends Sunday, and I will see you next week with another video, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Bye bye.